Imagine this. You're sitting at home and suddenly, tax officials come knocking, not just for your documents or cash, but to go through your phone, your cloud, your emails, even your Instagram chats. Sounds like a movie, right? But this could soon be legal in India under the new Income Tax Bill, 2025. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a big issue that affects your right to privacy. The Finance Minister has proposed a new law, Income Tax Bill 2025. And under this law, tax officials could get access to your entire digital life during a tax raid. Yes, your WhatsApp chats, Google Drive, Instagram posts, even your matrimonial site logins. Let's understand how this works, why people are worried, and how it might go against a historic Supreme Court judgment, the Puddaswamy case. What is the current law? Right now, under Section 132 of the Income Tax Act 1961, tax officers can search your physical spaces, your house, your office, your bank locker. But they can only do this if they have reasonable evidence of tax evasion, not just suspicion. What does the new bill say? Under the Income Tax Bill 2025, tax officers can now search your virtual digital space. Sounds vague, right? That's because the definition is extremely broad. It includes emails, personal cloud drives like Google Drive or Dropbox messaging apps, yes, even WhatsApp social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, online platforms like Amazon or Paytm, even matrimonial sites. Basically, anywhere you've ever created a digital account. But here's the big problem. How will this even work for encrypted apps like WhatsApp? There are no clear answers. What are the concerns? 1. Privacy invasion. Your digital life isn't just about money. It includes personal photos, family messages, private conversations, mental health chats, romantic exchanges. Accessing all of this feels like reading someone's diary, without permission. 2. Third-party exposure. When they search your account, they don't just see your data. They might also see your partner's photos, your friends' chats, a source who gave you information in confidence. So it's not just your rights at stake, it's everyone's linked to you. 3. Overreach and misuse. What if someone uses this power to target critics? Imagine a journalist exposing corruption, and suddenly they face a tax raid. Now their sources, leads, and private notes could be exposed. In 2023, even the Supreme Court warned that digital device seizures are serious and must only happen with solid evidence, not just suspicion. 4. No judicial oversight. Today, officials don't need a judge's warrant to go through your digital life. There's no neutral party reviewing their decision. That's a huge problem. It gives unchecked power to the government. What did the Supreme Court say in the Puddaswamy case? In 2017, the Supreme Court declared privacy a fundamental right in the landmark Puddaswamy judgment. It said the government can't just invade your privacy unless it passes a 4-part test. 1. Legitimate aim. Is the goal valid? Stopping tax evasion. Okay, this is valid. 2. Necessity. Is the action truly needed? Searching all your digital life may not be necessary. 3. Proportionality. Is it proportionate to the goal? Reading all your messages just to find tax evidence is way too extreme. 4. Least intrusive method. Is there a less privacy-harming way to do this? Instead of scanning your phone, they could request specific financial data. So this law may fail the privacy test. What do other countries do? Canada. Their constitution guarantees protection from unreasonable search. You must get prior approval from a judge. USA. In the famous Riley v. California case, the Supreme Court said, accessing a phone is like accessing someone's entire life. You need a warrant. So why not in India? What's the solution? Here's how we can fix this law and still catch tax evaders. 1. Narrow the scope. Only allow searches of financial digital data, not personal chats or photos. 2. Mandatory judicial warrant. Tax officials must get approval from a judge before entering digital spaces. 3. Clear disclosure. Taxpayers must be told why their digital space is being searched. 4. Redressal mechanism. There must be a way to file complaints if your privacy is violated. Conclusion. Friends, this isn't just a tax law issue. It's about your rights, your privacy, and your digital life. We need tax laws that fight corruption, but without making every citizen feel like a suspect. A balanced system is possible, where the government gets results without breaking into your digital home. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more such simplified breakdowns.